Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unpublish a product in your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unpublish a page in your ThriveCart for one of your products anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your products are no longer relevant, so you want to be sure to unpublish them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unpublish a product, you're going to click on these horizontal lines here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see all the products you're currently offering in ThriveCart. So just hover over the product that you want to unpublish. So for example, this one right here, and then click on edit. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these 5 options right here. Make sure you've clicked on options. Once you're here in options, you're going to look for product status. Now, in order to unpublish this product in your ThriveCart, you can see mine is live. It's in turquoise as live. You're going to click on disabled. Once you click on disabled, go ahead and click on save and get URL. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you should see this, that your product is disabled. They do let you know that disabled products only appear in your list, that they're not available for sale unless you go back in there and activate that product. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish or disable a product in your ThriveCart, that's the easiest way. I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.